In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. Now here on this page, click on this force stop option and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. After that, you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar, search for WhatsApp, and then click on Update right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this short video until the very end. See you later.